Welfare Department, Government of Sindh. Dr. Marine Nadeem Saiba, Population Welfare, blending citizens' voices for developing as well as implementing policies. Draws its strength from its neutrality, non-exclusive partner through our national champions and global leadership. On women choices, women voices for better choices in family planning program.
Promote family planning, that women now themselves are asking for family planning. Our PDHS, we see that nearly 1/3 of the women are facing the unmet need. So the unmet, women have demand for family planning services. They voice for family planning services. They are seen being a key contributor to What Women Want campaign. We thought that it would be great to explore the opportunity to work with 2020 working group as well as CIP in collaboration with CIP Secretariat Sindh. Next, please.
Population Welfare Department Sindh, Ms. Aisha Ehsan Saiba, Director.
Experience like 9 months of, it was like 1 year duration thing or process which we undertook. So first of all, though we understand that in What Women Want, we conducted slightly like a qualitative kind of analysis of that responses of the women from the same, developed a few key asks for women and then took it to patients, one with the development partners and the other one with the government office. Again, this is I see it as a key achievement of our all efforts, and who are asking for family planning, they have started using the word of limiting the birth. They also say about birth control, about the matters. Next, please. Okay, hang on for a second. Just go to the back slide. So women and mothers, and then at village level and husband and widows.
Department Punjab, Dr. Taira Kamal Saiba, Director Health Services Balochistan.
Experiencing issues with respect to their use of family planning services from these stakeholders. So that's of the women for raising awareness about family planning. So that's one other key area. So village level. This is like a repetitive thing, which has come up with respect to family planning needs of the women, and then demands related to quality. It was also surprising that though there is a bias from ourselves as well, that we defined quality with something related to trainings of the women, or we just clubbed them under the quality. So where trainings or the trained providers were asked, we called it as a demand related to quality. Next, please.
कुछ महीने पहले सरकारी अस्पताल में मीटिंग में गए थे, वहाँ हमारे मसाइल सुनाई, वो मसाइल हमारे ऑफिसर तक पहुँच गए, वो मसाइल हमारे अभी हल हैं। मुझे फैमिली प्लानिंग का सामान मिल रहा है, अभी कैंप भी लग रही है। बहुत बहुत आपका शुक्रिया कि हमारी बातियाँ ऑफिसर तक पहुँच गए और हमारे मसला है।
And empowerment women include the action of raising the status of and raising the voices for better choices. community stakeholders and coordination and connection with each other for greater goods of women's health. As we all know, the world population is about 7.8 billion, and today Pakistan, with population of 207 million, is the sixth most populous worldwide country and second largest in Islamic countries. While the population of the Sindh alone is 47 million, and the contraceptive prevalence rate as per PDHS 2017-18 30.9. So it is, if the CPR, when the contraceptive prevalence rate, which is 30.9, will remain constant, the population will grow 96 million by 2050, and nearby doubling around 30 years, as Dr. Amanullah said in her speech. So, but in contrast, if CPR of Sindh has achieved at 50% by 2030, and by
here in province, we taken the charge of so this is a very horrible scenario.
Are members of the governing body participated?
Years back, this figure was more than double. So there is also a glimpse of hope that if we can reduce this figure to half, we can prevent these deaths to a very reduced quantity. And another thing is that whatever has been achieved, the main role that has been played was the education of women and family planning. So, being from Population Welfare Department, we are focusing on family planning. And coming to the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, which had a population of 35.5 million in 2017. I extend my gratitude to our distinguished colleagues and my sister sitting here, and we are planning. And also I congratulate to Department Learning for us as well. And we also take the guidance and the other guidance as well, and other inputs from the Sindh province, where we will go to implement that plan. So this plan is also very important. The family planning. The family planning is the, I think, it's very important, and it is the key of the success of and the development for the SDGs as well. So this is the journey from the International Forum CPID, and that is the answer towards the SDGs. And that family planning and the maternal health, it targets, I think, 3 SDGs. The SDG 1, reduce the poverty in everywhere, in every form, in every shape, everywhere. The SDG 3, the well-being and the health.
Today, Pakistan, with a population of 220 million, is the 6th most populous country worldwide and expected to double the population over the next 30 years. Rapid population growth constraints already limited resources across the various sectors of the economy. Invariably, measures directed for limiting the spacing the number of children concentrate on one woman. In this aspect, it needs to be kept in mind that women and girls are not merely passive targets or receptors of contraception, but right holders with distinct needs and preferences. They are deeply familiar with both the challenges and solutions facing themselves and their communities when it comes to healthy and more intimate issues like family planning.
Finish at 1, but it took more time. But sorry for that, and I'll try my best. Masood Abbasi, Director of the Safe Motherhood Forum, Ms. Ambreen Nadeem, who is Director of the at the National Health Ministry, with the Director General of Health. Dr. Mahesh Mubarak, Deputy Director of the Population Welfare Department, Sindh. Ms. Aisha Ahsan, who is looking after the Director General position, which is very important because very recently Mr. Fazlin Ali left this position, so it's, I hope she is also having the same vigor to continue the agenda. Ms. Bushra Nadeem from the Director Punjab Department of Population Welfare Department, Director of Planning. Ms. Tahira Kamal, Dr. Tahira Kamal, Chief Secretary from Pakistan. Dr. Samina Nadeem, Rafia Rowe, Dr. Rajesh Kumar, Dr. Atiyadu from the Federal Ministry, and
I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Yasmin Kazi, who has been guiding us and advising us through. On behalf of CIP Secretariat, Population Welfare Department, Dr. Khalid Rashai, who has travelled all the way from Karachi and has been kind enough to agree to chair this session. And from the senior officials from Ministry of Health Services Regulation and Coordination, Health and Population Welfare Department. Among the guests here today, we also have representatives from the development partners, academic